Africa Content TV.
Approaches to Nigeria. And also, we've seen today times are changing. When we see leaders who now know themselves as servants of the people, and this is what the new order represents. And today, I actually welcome the Duke and Duchess. I'm going to be, thank you very much, the CDS, Chief of Defense Staff, for making this happen. And also the Duke for remembering the people that have been wounded, soldiers that have served, that make us to be free, to defend us. And we are living here. Security is very important. And some people sacrifice their own lives for us. Some of them are still alive, and some of them are wounded. CDS, this has never happened. We make it happen. Nigeria started this. This is a great country that has invited. You've seen what the Duke has done, and you just did that. I've never seen a CDS that have done that. Thank you for doing this, and for to invite me to this, to say what I've done for my people as a servant to the people, not just a king to the people. I treat my people as kings. I am their servant, so that I can raise kings and not servants. I don't raise slaves. I raise kings for the future. I don't raise slaves. God bless you. Today, I'm going to be the Duchess. You are one of us. And also the king, the Duke is also one of us. You are our in-law. I'm going to be naming you. I have this gift for you. First, this is for the Duke and for the Duchess. Because the Duke one is very big. Having something like this, that's full regard. So we have. This is for the. This is going to be beautiful on you, the Duchess. Thank you very much, and we thank God that you are one of us. Yes. This is our show, okay? You can have it. Sorry about that. And this one is the attire. This is our shop key. This is purely Yoruba. And I'm going to be naming you for the crown. I did took Kingdom. Crown that came from overseas. Came from overseas to go and take your crown. And I'm also going to give you a chieftaincy title, which we believe you are the Oluwo Oba. It's the most greatest child of the land. I'm going to give you that name. Because you can't take it, we can't put anything on your head right now. I'm going to be giving you these leaves. It's a sign. Please, can you take that from her? It's a sign of giving a chieftain's title, and this is our cocoa leaves. And God bless you. This is just that. I really appreciate that. You are our own, and we love you so much. Thank you very much. I did take from that. Please. I did take from that. And also for the Duke. The Oluwo Oba and the Obi Obonicha. It's just traditional. I'm not really trying to take all the time. And thank you for being here. This is for the Duke. And this is a complete pack and everything there. I really appreciate all what you've been doing. Yes. So you should know what I'm wearing. Exactly. So when you are trying to wear it, it's like and you know when you fight wars in the olden days, you have a helmet. So you're gonna be wearing it right tomorrow. You see how I move it? You move it like that, and you move it like this. You see, this is great. Believe me, you can dance well as royalty in the Yoruba. When you're wearing this, you can only dance like a Jackson. With this one, and this is your. This is going to be the beads. These are the beads that you put on it. And you see the one on my hands, you have the one for the hand. So can you wear it? Yes. And then you can wear this. Two is for you. That's the two. So you wear two. This one. Yes. And these are your earrings. You do that first. Thank you very much. God bless you. You're so beautiful. One of the most beautiful ever seen. We have many beautiful. You see the beautiful Okoya. And you see my beautiful wife, Queen. She's so beautiful. She's a princess from Ghana. And also we have many beautiful, too many beautiful ones. They are beautiful women, black and so lovely. I love you so much. God bless you and thank you very much. This is my wife.
Your Highness.